Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green chili with seeds. To begin, select mature, healthy seeds from a ripe green chili. Soaking these seeds in warm water for 24 hours significantly boosts their chances of sprouting. Next, prepare your seed starting mix. A good mix should be well-draining and rich in organic matter, providing the perfect environment for your young chili plants to thrive right from the start. Once your seeds are prepped, it's time to plant them. Sow each seed about 1/4 inch deep in individual seed trays or small pots. For optimal germination, maintain a consistent soil temperature between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This warmth is crucial for successful sprouting. Remember to keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as waterlogged conditions can lead to seed rot and hinder growth. After your seedlings have developed 2 to 3 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Move them into larger pots or directly into your garden bed. Green chili plants absolutely love sunlight, so ensure they receive a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct sun exposure each day. When planting, space them about 18 to 24 inches apart. This spacing is vital for good air circulation and allows each plant ample room to grow and produce abundant chilies. Proper watering and feeding are key to a bountiful harvest. Water your chili plants deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, which is usually 2 to 3 times per week, depending on your climate. During the flowering and fruiting stages, fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks using a balanced, organic fertilizer to support vigorous growth. Finally, regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases and address them promptly with organic solutions to keep your green chilies healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.